In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Exness to TradingView. This is a very simple process, and the good news is that you can do it directly from your Exness personal area without needing any complicated setup. If you want to access TradingView style charts, drawing tools, and indicators while managing your trades through Exness, this is the quickest way to get there. To begin, open your browser and go to your Exness personal area. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before moving forward. This is the main dashboard where you manage your trading accounts and platform access, so everything starts here. Once you're inside the personal area, look for the trading section and click on it. This will take you to the area where your available trading options and account-related tools are organized. If you have multiple account types or several trading accounts, take a moment to make sure you're looking at the one you want to use. After that, find and click on Exness Terminal. This is the key step because Exness Terminal gives you access to a web-based trading environment that uses a native TradingView interface. In other words, you're not manually linking a separate TradingView account here. Instead, Exness provides access to TradingView functionality through its own terminal. As soon as the terminal opens, you'll be taken into the web platform. From there, you can use the familiar TradingView chart layout along with many of the tools traders rely on every day, including drawing tools, technical indicators, and a clean charting experience. This setup is designed to give you smooth execution while keeping the charting interface intuitive and easy to work with. One important thing to understand is that this method is essentially how Exness connects you to TradingView features. So if your goal is to trade with Exness while using TradingView style charts in the browser, this is exactly where you need to be. You don't need to install extra software, and you don't need to go through a separate connection process. If you're new to the platform, it's a good idea to spend a minute exploring the layout once the terminal loads. Familiarize yourself with the chart controls, indicator menu, and drawing toolbar so you can work more efficiently when analyzing the market. And that's it. To connect Exness to TradingView, just go to your Exness personal area, click Trading, then select Exness Terminal, and the web terminal will open with the native TradingView interface ready to use.